INTVL Run app tutorial and review. Is it as good as it advertises? INTVL promises to make interval training simple and effective, but does it really deliver? The app focuses on guided interval workouts, personalized training plans, and full run tracking with audio coaching. Open the app, select a workout, and start running. The app gives audio cues for when to sprint, jog, or rest. You can track pace, distance, and calories, especially if paired with a smartwatch. Among its pros include structured workouts, motivational challenges, and easy tracking. It's great for runners who want discipline and variety. Cons are limited free tier, higher subscription costs compared to competitors, and coaching that feels generic without premium. Results depend on consistency. The app works best with wearables, and alternatives like Nike Run Club or Strava may offer similar features for free. So INTVL Run is good as advertised for interval training, but its premium pricing may not suit casual runners. If you want structured coaching, it's worth it. If you just want tracking, free apps may be enough. So the bottom line, INTVL Run delivers on its promise, but only if you're ready to commit to interval training and possibly pay for premium. And that is our INTVL Run app tutorial and review.